ladies and gentlemen. So it's been a while since I've been really busy getting my website up and running or preparing it. You know, I'm prepared website next week. So, you know, it's not hosted on Odoo anymore. It'll be hosted on my software at home. And I'm very excited because it's where I'll be selling my mugs and shit. You know, I'll be making some mugs from the photos I've taken. And, you know, all that good shit. And there's a lot more features too, because when you self-host your own hardware, or your own Odoo instance, you pretty much unlock everything except for like enterprise. You still need a subscription for enterprise modules, as they call it. But yeah, I've been busy getting everything ready for, well, and right now I am right here. Look at that beautiful Stellar's J. But yeah, like and subscribe for more updates or whatever. And the vote is still open, so vote on one of the winning vote will be my first mug, and whatever's after the winning vote will be second and third, you know. So there's that.